Today topic is binary tree representation. Okay. Binary tree is represented by two ways in memory. First one is linked representation. Second one is sequential representation. In linked representation, here using three parallel arrays are used. Okay, there are three parallel arrays. This one is pointing left, this one is pointing right, this one is indicating data, that is information part. Okay, this denoting location of left child, this denoting location of right child. Here this is one example. Starting one is fifth. The location is starting location is fifth location. Here fifth location pointing the data. Fifth location contains the data is A. Information part is A. Then this part specifying left child, that is left location is 10th, as well as right location is 7th place. 10th location pointing the information is B. 7th location pointing the information is 7. So this pointing 10, this pointing 7. Likewise, this B pointing left child location is 9th location, that is left child is D. Likewise, here didn't indicate here, some notes are available here. For your reference, I included little bit only, just for example. Okay, here C pointing A left, right child is C. C pointing left one is 11th location. Left child of C is F. It's pointing the location is 11th location. And right child is pointing J. This is stored in the location is 30. In this example, what you understand means this representation is not in sequential manner. Okay. Because each and every data stored in different locations, and because the starting location is A pointing 5th location, but this left child is stored in the 10th location, right child is stored in the 7th location. Left child parent node is A, left child is B, right child is C, but these are pointing location is A pointing 5th location, left child pointing 10th location, right child pointing 7th location. Okay. Then how these information stored in memory means, this is the structure for how these data are stored in the memory. First one is pointing location, second one information, third one left and right. Start one is 5th location. Here information is A. This left child location is 10th location. Then move to the 10th. Left child is B. Then right child pointing the appeared in the 7th location. Right child pointing the 7th location. A appeared 5th location. Then left child pointing 10th location. This one is 5th location. Then left child pointing 10th location. Right child pointing 7th location. That is B in 10th, C in 7th. Likewise here stored. If I pointing X means here no child. Here I am pointing X means here no child. That is, it's indicating the null values. No pointing, no data here. That is no left or right child. This is the linked representation. Next one is sequential representation. Sequential representations may be called array representation. Okay. This is an example tree structure here. In this representations indicating level by level, that is 0th level, 1 level, 2nd level, 3 level. Okay. First, how the data are stored in memory means level by level. First one is first root node, that is 45 appeared in the 1. Then second is left child 22. then third child, right child 77, then next left child is 11, then 30, then 77 left child is here absent, no data, so leave it, then right child is indicating the value is 90, then here left child available, so 15, right child not available, so just leave it, but location is whether the data is available or not, this is not a matter, that is not a matter, but location pointing whether it is available or not available, the data's locations are appeared sequence manner. Okay, here 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but 6 is not available data, but location is pointed here. Then 8, 9, 9 also no data, but the location is 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In this level there are 15 nodes are possible, but some nodes are missing. Okay, some data are not available, but no problem, but location is available for in this structure, in this representation, that is sequential representations arranged in this sequential manner. How the data are started means first root, then left, then right, level by level. This is the first level, first one is root, then second level left, right, then third level left, right, left, right, then fourth level left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Likewise the data are arranged in the memory. See here, first one 45, then second one 22, third one 77, fourth one 11, fifth one 30, sixth one not available, so just putting nil, then seventh one pointing 90, eighth one pointing 15, then ninth one no, not available, so nil, 10, 25, 11 not available, so leave, 12, 13 also not available, so just put nil, then 14th one is 88, 15th also absent, here 15th also leave it. This is the representations for sequential representations in a memory. Okay, and then sometimes ask a difference between sequential representation and binary representation. In binary representations we have to use 3 parallel arrays for pointing the data, that is left one pointing the left location, right one pointing the right child location, center point noting the information area. In sequential representation, and the data are arranged in a represented memory sequentially, representing level by level to stored in the memory. Okay, in sequential representation using two cases. First case is and the value starting from index starting from 0th index, then case 2 is starting first index. Okay, here this is the representing level 0, 1, 2, 3, starting point is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 likewise. The data are representing memory is 0, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in case if I want to calculate in ith index, any ith index, okay, I want to know the left child of particular node, right child of particular node, parent of particular node. How is it possible? Means formula is available here. If you know that ith index, then I want to know the left child would be 2 into I plus 1. Right child would be 2 into I plus 2. Parent would be at I minus divided by 2. Okay. For example, I want to know the ith number is I equal to 4. Okay. I want to know the ith node, that is ith value is 4, fourth node. What is the fourth node here? Fourth node is E. Without my representations, I want to know the data about which one is what is the left child of E and what is the right child of E, then what is the parent child of E. I want to know means how is it possible? If I see the structure means I can easily tell. E doesn't have left child, E doesn't have right child, parent of E is B. Okay, then how to calculate from the formula means here I equal to 4. Okay, formula is left child means 2 into I plus 1. If I calculate right child for particular ith index means 2 into I plus 2. A parent means I want to know the parent node means I minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, just apply this values to the formulas. I equal to 4, left child means 2 into I plus 1. 2 into 4 plus 1, that is 9. Okay, here 9 is not available. What is meaning here? So no left child. Here E doesn't have no left child, no right child. Okay, so ninth one is empty. So what we design, E doesn't have a left child as well as right child. You just apply the formula for right child. 2 into I plus 2. 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Here 10th one is not available. Here doesn't have right child too. The next one is how to calculate the parent node means I minus 1 divided by 2. Ith value is 4. 4 minus 1 divided by 2. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Directly take the 1. So first one pointing the B. The parent of ith index, that is 4. I value is 4. The parent of E is B. From the formula we get it. We got it. Okay. Case 2. In case 2, what this means, the starting value is here noting 0. Okay. In case 2, starting value is 1. But arrangement is also sequential manner. No change. The starting index value is only changed. In case 1, starting index value is 0. In case 2, starting value is 1. Okay. If I want to indicate the left child of particular node, right child of particular node, parent of node means just formula is here left. In case 1, the formula is to find left child means 2 into I plus 1. But in case 2, to find the left child means the formula is 2 into I. Right child means 2 into I plus 1. Parent means I by 2. Okay. Just take the same one. Fourth one means ith value is 4. Okay. 2 into I, that is 2 into 4, that is 8. Okay. Here ith one is D. The left child of D is here. Left child of D is pointing H. Okay. Right child of D is pointing I. Here formula is 2 into I, so 2 into 4, 8. Eighth one pointing the H. Left child is H. Then likewise I want to calculate the right child means 2 into I plus 1. 2 into 4 plus 1 is 9. The right child of D is I. Right child of D is I. The location is pointing 9. So if I want to know the parent of D is means what is the formula? I by 2, 4 by 2 equal to 2. 2 pointing the node is B. So the parent of D is B. Likewise, we have to easily find the left, right and parent node of particular ith index. This is the representation of binary tree. Binary tree representations represent two ways, that is linked representation, sequential representation. Thank you.